Alright, I've got this ukulele here that I've been working on off and on for quite a while now. It's a follow-up to my last guitar build that had a side component, built a matching ukulele that was a gift to one of my nephews. Needless to say, that gift made my other nephews jealous, so I have lots more ukuleles in progress now, lots more to start. Anyway, today my plan is to get the fret wire on the fretboard. So I have some StewMac narrow medium height fret wire. It's straight, not radiused. I will not be radiusing it before I put it on the fretboard, even though I do have a slight radius here. I don't have a fret wire radiusing jig, so that will be an upcoming project. Let's do this. Well, the fretwork is not done yet. I obviously need to trim them up and dress the frets a little bit, level them out and make sure they're all nice and pretty. Unfortunately, I have a few that just won't stay down. My fancy fret slotting saw is not the best, I'm finding, and I need to go with something a little bit true to fret slotting. Great $12 investment, good substitute, not adequate. So what I need to do is get some thin super glue so I can wick down in just at the corners that won't stay flat. Our 4th fret here, I don't know if that'll show up. It's gonna focus on my face. Our 4th fret is the worst. Maybe the 15th and 14th have a little bit that need to be addressed as well, but that'll have to be it for today because I don't have any super glue, and that's what I need. So I'll do a follow-up where I dress the frets.